हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम लोग केवीएस और एनवीएस के लिए फिर से कुछ क्वेश्चंस लाए हैं, उसको आज हम पढ़ेंगे एंड दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन. So we will start with the register. So register क्या है? Register are a tiny and ultra fast temporary storage location with a CPU itself. They hold the data, instruction and memory addresses that control unit and ALU are immediately processing. Cache memory is external to CPU core but closer than RAM. Okay. Now here next question. Delivering computing services. Delivering computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. These are the cloud. Now next, cloud computing. Cloud computing involve the delivering computing services over the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis, eliminating the need for the local infrastructure. Next, ring topology. Ring topology क्या है? So in ring topology, devices are connected in a circle. Data travels from one device to another next device until it reaches its destination, always moving in one direction. ठीक है? Java. Java is not an acronym. It was illicitly chosen after the developers had coffee and named it after the island of Java, where the coffee beans were grown. Next, in modern version of MS Word, starting from Word 2007 to 2010, the default line spacing is 1.15 lines, which is slightly more than single spacing. Now, uses of flash memory chips and has no moving mechanical part. So here we will see SSD आर नॉन वोल्टाइल फ्लैश मेमोरीज. तो जो हम बात करेंगे, ये जो SSDs है, ये क्या है? एक नॉन वोल्टाइल फ्लैश मेमोरीज है, लाइक USB ड्राइव्स एंड हैव नो मैकेनिकल पार्ट्स, मेकिंग them faster, quicker and more resistant to physical shock like than traditional SSD, which rely on spinning platters. Now here we will read about the header and footer. So header footer क्या है? Header and footer contain the that is repeated at the top, header and bottom footer margin of every page in a document, such as titles, dates or page numbers. Next is software piracy. Software piracy is illegal copying, reproductions, distributions or use of software violating the copyright of the software developer. Next, in the structure uses at the domain.com, the part after the at symbol example.com is the domain name of the mail server that handles the address. Next, lane stand for local area network, a computer network that connect computer within a limited areas such as school, office building or home. Next, the binary number. The binary number 1010 is converted to decimal by using positional value of base 2. Suppose 0 multiply 20 is 0. ठीक है, then यहाँ पे these are the thing we can see here. Adding 8 plus 2 is 10. Therefore, decimal equivalent of the binary is 1010 is 10. Now a switch operated at the layer 2 data link layer and forward data only to port where the destination device is connected. Effectively segment the network into a smaller collision domain. A router is the correct answer. Now the page special features. So the page special features offers multiple options including pasting only, the formatting only, the formulas or only the values, giving the user control over which attributes are copied. Next, a protocol. A protocol is a formal set of rules, procedures, or convention that govern how data is exchanged between systems. Example includes our TCP, IP, HTTP, and FTP. Now, next, a fraudulent attempt. A fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive or information like username, password by disguising as a trustworthy entity in electronic communication. Phishing क्या है? Phishing is a form of cybercrime where criminals attempt to trick victims into revealing personal information by sending deceptive messages, often email or text. Next, and ad blockers or ad blocking extension software is especially designed to prevent advertisement, pop-ups, and website trackers from loading, enhancing privacy and browsing speed. Next, slide shorter view. Slide shorter view display all the slide in the presentation as a thumbnail, making it easy to see the presentation flow and rearrange, delete, or add slide quickly. Next, cloud storage. Cloud storage especially refer to the storing data on remote servers. The cloud access via the internet managed by the provider like Google or Amazon. Control A is a universal keyboard shortcut in a window, yeah, MS Office to select all content in the current document, window, or folders. Now, basic input or output system. It is a firmware that initializing the state system hardware component when the computer is first turned on. Next, Here, Dandi March. Dandi March is a salt was started by Mahatma Gandhi on March 12, 1910 from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. It defines to British law, salt law. The the troposphere is the lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere, extending from the surface up to the 8 to 15 kilometer. It is contains 75% of the atmosphere mass and is where all major weather events uh, occur. So that is troposphere is the lowest layer. Now 42nd Amendment Act. So 42nd Amendment Act of the Constitution held in 1976 passed during the emergency added Part 4A and Article 51A to the Constitution, which specify the 10 fundamental duty to the citizens. The Red Fort Killa. The Red Fort Killa in Delhi was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan when the shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi, Shahjahanabad in 17th century. Now next. The five-year plan. The second five-year plan, 1956 to 1961, based on the PC Mahalanobis model, prioritizing rapid industrialization, particularly in the areas of iron and steel and machinery. Now, scurvy is a disease resulting from a severe lack of vitamin C, ascorbic acid. It leads to weakness, anemia, gum disease, and skin hemorrhages. Next, Rabi crop. Rabi crops, wheat, barley, mustard, are known to winter crop. They are typically sown in around October, November, and harvested around March, April. Next, a lactometer. A lactometer is a small glass instrument used to measure the specific gravity of milk, which indicate its density and help determine its purity richness. The topic of cancer. The tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitude, passes through 8 Indian states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Next, the gene is the smallest function of the segment of genes is the smallest function of segment of DNA that code for a specific protein or the function, thus representing the basic unit of heredity. The good and service tax implemented GST implemented across India on July 1st, 2017, replacing multiple cascading taxes levied by the central and state government. Now, the Kosi River is known as the sorrow of Bihar because of its frequent changes it course and devastating annual flood which causes massive destruction. Ampere. Ampere क्या है? That is a fundamental scientific unit of measure ampere. So the fundamental scientific unit for measuring electric current is a ampere. A voltage volt measures electric potential differences and resistance ohm measures opposition of current flow. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Brahmo Samaj in 1828 in Calcutta, which was a social and religious reform movement promoting monotheism and rationalism. Earthquake. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where the number of earthquake and volcanic eruption occur. Project Tiger. Project Tiger launched in 1973 in a conservation program especially aimed at protecting Bengal tiger and its habitat in India. Now next, India 2010, India New Delhi hosted the Commonwealth Game for the first and only time in 2010. Odisha, the famous Sun Temple is located at Konark in the state of Odisha and it is come under the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Laissez-faire is a fellow French word. It means allowed to do. Is an economic theory that advocates minimizing government intervention and regulation in the market, making it central to classical economy. Tibet. Tibet near Mansarovar Lake. So the Indus River originated near the Tibetan plateau near Lake Mansarovar and Mount Kailash. So here we will see the language competency. So word. So this is a hypothetical or contrary to fact conditional synthesis type 2. If clause is the past subjunctive word is used for all person including I to indicate the hypothetical nature. If I were, so I will take were. Now next the project will be finished by them by next week. So here the original sentence future some simple tense to will plus verb plus form. The passive voice will be object will be plus verb 3. So this will be the passive form. ये कौन सा है passive structure है. Next. Skillful. Adept means very skilled or proficient in something. Skillful is the closest synonym. Next. Abundant. Abundant means existing or available in large quantity or plentiful. We can say it is a plentiful. Scarce means insufficient or rare, making or antonym. Okay, next. The call off means cancel or postpone. Separate is common, so separate is a correct word. Next. He said that she had gone to gym the day before. When converting direct to indirect in simple past, when changed into the past had gone. Okay. So time expression yesterday changed into the day before or the previous day. Next. The correct construction for the illness is suffering from a cold. From a cold. Okay. So suffering from cold is used general condition, but a cold is usually preferred. And the verb structure should be present perfect continuous since the action started in the past and is still continuing. So she has been suffering from cold last Monday. The error in this sentence making A is likely focused, but the since option mark A and D corresponding the part of error lies. Okay. So next, The purple patch is a idiom means to a period of notable success or good fortune. A flash in pan means a brief isolated success in that is not repeated. A flash in the pan means a brief isolated success in that is not repeated. Though means a contrast being rich and not being happy. Though although is the best originating conjunction and introducing contrasting and consecutive such clauses. Now here we will see the language competency in Hindi. So उज्जवल is a शुद्ध वर्तनी. यहाँ पे देखेंगे उज्जवल का जो शुद्ध वर्तनी है that is उ आधा जा फिर पूरा जा वाला उज्जवल उज्जवल which contain a two half जा जा. प्रकाश प्रकाश is also the शुद्ध वर्तनी. So means इसका क्या अंधेरा. सरोज is a तालाब. भागीरथी सुरसरी और देवपगा गंगा नदी के लिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट द्वंद्व समास दोनों पदों की प्रधानता होती है और या अथवा जैसे दिन रात रात दिन. नेक्स्ट पारदर्शी वाक्य में देखे जा सकते हैं. पारदर्शी ट्रांसपेरेंट शर्मिंदा होकर खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे या खींच करना. सतजन सतजन मतलब सज्जन संधि विच्छेद. ठीक है. द नेक्स्ट यमुना यमुना इज अ व्यक्तिवाचक प्रॉपर नाउन विच जो किसी विशेष व्यक्ति स्थान को दर्शाती है. निर्यात निर्यात का मतलब क्या. निर्यात का कैसे होगा. निर्धन यात निर्धन यात. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा हमारा निर्यात. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट जिसका बाहर या रहित निवास निवास निधन वास. निपुण ई पहाड़ी सद पहाड़ से बड़ी ई का प्रत्यय जोड़ा गया है. ठीक है. तो ये हमारा आज का था. आई होप यू विल लाइक दिस एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस सीरीज इन अनदर डे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.